The process begins with the design phase. Here, computer-aided design software plays a pivotal role. Engineers draft 3D models, scrutinizing every detail, from the wingspan to the tail height. The design phase also involves rigorous testing of the model using digital simulations to ensure safety and efficiency. Next, the manufacturing of individual parts commences. Thousands of parts, large and small, are crafted with the utmost precision. Aluminium, the primary material, is used due to its lightness and strength. Other materials like titanium and composite materials also find their use in areas requiring greater resilience. The production of the aeroplane's body, or fuselage, follows. Large aluminium sheets are cut, shaped, and then meticulously welded together. The wings, tail, and nose are also manufactured separately, following a similar process. The airplane, however, is more than just a shell. The interior is furnished with seats, storage compartments, and the cockpit. The cockpit, a marvel of modern engineering, houses hundreds of controls and instruments, each playing a vital role in the plane's operation. The assembly phase is where all these components come together. The wings, tail, and nose are attached to the fuselage. The engines, typically bought from specialized manufacturers, are also mounted at this stage. Once the assembly is complete, the airplane undergoes a series of rigorous tests. These tests ensure the airplane meets all safety standards and is ready to take to the skies. Finally, the plane receives its finishing touches. It's painted, often in the airline's distinctive colors, and fitted with exterior lights. The airplane is then ready for its maiden flight. So, the journey of an airplane, from an engineer's blueprint to a soaring marvel in the sky, involves meticulous design, precise manufacturing, and rigorous testing. It's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, a process as awe-inspiring as the flight of the airplane itself. In summary, we've learned today that airplane manufacturing begins with detailed 3D designs and digital simulations. The manufacturing of individual parts follows, leading to the assembly of the airplane's body and interior. After the assembly and rigorous testing, the airplane receives its final touches before it's ready for flight. A marvel of engineering, each airplane embodies countless hours of design, manufacturing, and testing. So, the next time you see an airplane in the sky, take a moment to appreciate the sheer complexity and brilliance that goes into its creation.